How to get aim assist on Nintendo Switch Fortnite. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable aim assist in Fortnite on your Nintendo Switch. Aim assist helps you with accuracy when using controller based input. If you're struggling with your shots, this feature can give you a nice boost, so let's jump right in. First, launch Fortnite on your Nintendo Switch. Make sure the game is updated to the latest version. Once you're in, let's move on to adjusting the settings. Once you're in the main menu of Fortnite, click the three lines in the top right corner to open the settings menu. From here, you'll adjust your controller settings to enable aim assist. Scroll to the controller options tab. This is where you'll find all your input settings. Now let's find the settings that enables aim assist. Look for the aim assist toggle. On the Nintendo Switch, this should be turned on by default. But if it's off, simply turn it on. This will activate aim assist while you're using a controller in Fortnite, making it easier to hit your targets. Now that aim assist is enabled, jump into a match and you'll notice that it will help you aim more easily when targeting enemies. You'll feel the controller sensitivity adjust automatically to keep your crosshairs locked on the target. And that's it, you've successfully enabled aim assist in Fortnite on your Nintendo Switch.